Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're fixing Svchost.exe using too much memory. First, we're going to identify which service under Svchost.exe is eating your memory and stop it properly. Right-click on your taskbar, then click Task Manager. In Task Manager, go to the Details tab. Now find Svchost.exe. You'll see several of them. Don't worry. Right-click any Svchost.exe that's using a lot of memory and select Go to Service. You'll now see the exact services linked to that process. One or more will be highlighted. These are the ones causing the heavy memory usage. Now we'll disable the unnecessary ones safely. Press Windows +R. Type services.msc and hit Enter. Now in the Services window, look for these common culprits on display. Right-click each of these services. For example, Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Choose Properties, then set Startup Type to Disabled, and click Stop to immediately end it. Repeat this for any service that you confirmed earlier was using abnormal memory. If you still see Svchost.exe, netsvcs, using huge memory after disabling services, click Start, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Now, one by one, type these commands exactly as shown. This forces Windows to recreate all update components and clears deep memory leaks caused by old update files. After this, reboot your system and let Windows sit for 3 to 5 minutes on the desktop. You'll see Svchost.exe memory drop drastically. And that's it if this helped you. Hit like, drop a comment with your results, and subscribe for more deep Windows optimization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.